This is Sanskriti 15BEC0204 and that's Udbhav 15BEC0122. For our DLE task 3, this is the circuit that we've made on multisim. So in this circuit, when we control these switches, these 4 switches, these 4 probes work, and when we control these 4 switches, these 4 probes work. Upon different combinations of the switches, different probes lighten up. To transfer this circuit on ulti-board, the procedure is as follows.
Okay guys, so basically the main heart of the circuit is the 74240 IC. So this is an octal dual gate driver. So how will we transfer the circuit on the ulti-board? So first of all, just go on this option, view, and go to spreadsheet view. So this type of window will open, in which there will be written that whether the footprint of the particular component used is there or not. Like in these we have added the footprints. So if I select another component, say I select one more probe, just like this, and in the spreadsheet view here you can see that there is no footprint available. So for adding a particular component in ulti-board, we have to get a footprint of each and every component. So for adding the footprint, like go to this option and select from database, and then select, like we are using LED, so go to LED option, that is somewhere here. Okay, so we have selected LED 5. So basically the footprint will have 2 pins, so we selected, then footprints will have 2 pins, selected. Okay, so this will turn into blue.
The way to verify whether each of our component has a footprint is to make sure that every component which is to be transferred to the ulti-board is blue in color. If any main component, be it a switch or a probe, is black in color, which means the footprint is not there, and while transferring it to the ulti-board, it won't be visible.
Okay, so let me delete this one. So we transfer this particular circuit to ulti-board. So in the options, go in the transfer option, there will be option called transfer to ulti-board, and then transfer to ulti-board. The version is 11.0. So it will ask to save the circuit in the name, say DLE task. Save. So this type of window will open. Okay, so this will show the footprints of each. So this will show the footprints of each and every component. So press OK. Then it will import the circuit. Okay, so this 3D has been selected, and as you can see, all the components, the LED, the switches, the ICs are there. So now, if I move one of the ICs, say this IC, I move it to the center board, you can see that the IC is placed in the 3D preview. So I move an LED like this, and all these components. So after adjusting this, I get the final circuit. So once we are done with all those fixing the components and adjusting them, we get this final circuit as such. So the circuit which we designed in multisim is simulated in the same.
The application of this circuit is, let's say it's a traffic light. There are 4 pathways. It's a crossroad, and one traffic section has to move and the other has to be stopped. So while controlling the switches, one side, let's say the red LEDs will glow indicating a stop, and the green LEDs will allow one road traffic to move ahead. Or this can also be used, let's say the passengers have to cross a road and the cars have to be stopped. So a red LED will glow indicating the cars to stop, and green LEDs will indicate the passengers to cross the road using a zebra crossing. Now, this is the PCB board that is used in our labs by the company Altera, which can be switched on and switched off using this red button over here. And also the labelings are mentioned over there on the board.
Okay, so as you can see that different components are there. Say this is a 7-second display, or this is a normal 16 into 2 clock display. These are the particular LEDs. So we can program this board according to our use, and we can run different programs. So adding adding to the conclusion, one most important application that can be used using this circuit is that, like, we can use this circuit in the post office or in the telephone exchanges, where we want to select a line or say select a particular person to whom the call should go. So that this circuit can also be used in that. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.